What's up everyone, it's CS Adventures here, and today we are going to be unboxing and weighing the Shimano 12-speed XT chain. So yeah, let's get into it. So I really wasn't too sure what to go for a chain. You know, there's many different types for Shimano, but the XT wasn't too bad on price, and I know there's different coatings, different weights and all that, so I went with the XT for the chain. I'm going to keep it in the package because I'm getting it built soon, but let's weigh it. So this chain comes in at roughly 306 grams. Give or take the packaging, but not too bad. Can't really shave too much weight off the chain. You still want that durability in the long term, and you know, it's a chain. There's only so much you can do there. But yeah, that's going to conclude today's video. Just wanted to do a quick one just to show you guys the weight on this chain and what I chose for my build. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.